Question number 7. Exercise 6.2. Show that the function y equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x is increasing when x greater than 0. Increasing for x greater than minus 1. Given y equal to log of x plus 1 minus 2x by 2 plus x, we should show that this function is strictly increasing through its domain x greater than minus 1. So we need to find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, for log x it is 1 by x, so 1 by 1 plus x. By chain rule differentiating 1 plus x it is 0 plus 1. Then minus, here u equal to 2x and v equal to 2 plus x. By d of u by v formula, this is in the quotient, by using quotient form, u by v equal to v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. So u dash is equal to 2 and v dash is equal to 1. Substituting in the formula, v square, that is 2 plus x whole square, then v into 2 plus x into u dash is 2, by formula minus u into 2x into v dash is 1. So simplifying this, we will get 1 by 1 plus x minus, multiply inside 2x plus 4 and minus 2x divided by 2 plus x whole square. Here 2x and minus 2x get cancelled. Then taking LCM, 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square, then multiplying 2 plus x whole square to the numerator of the left side, this term 2 plus x whole square minus, cross multiplying this of 1 plus x here, 4 into 1 plus x. Simplifying it, we will get, expanding this one, we can get 4 plus x square plus 4x, then multiply inside minus 4 minus 4x divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. Here we can simplify this, 4x minus 4x get cancelled, 4 and minus 4 get cancelled, remaining is x square by, which is equal to, therefore dy by dx is equal to x square divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. Now look at the derivative. This is perfect square. If any value given to the numerator is positive, and look at the factor 2 plus x whole square. Here it is also a perfect square. We have square in the 2 in the power. So when we substitute any value, 2 plus x is maybe positive or negative. Because of the square, always it retains a positive sign. So x square is always positive, 2 plus x whole square is always positive. But by 1 plus x, by the term 1 plus x, the dy by dx sign will vary. Now, the given domain is x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1. When x greater than minus 1, x square is greater than 0, that is positive. And 2 plus x whole square is also positive. Both are positive terms. Now, substituting greater than minus 1. Not equal to minus 1, substituting greater than minus 1. That means we can substitute value minus 1 or minus 1.5, minus 1 or minus 0.5 or 0, then 1, 2, etc. These are the values we are going to substitute. So here we have 1. Greater than minus 1 means that is less than 1. Substituting here, we will get this 1 plus x is also positive. So 1 plus x is also greater than 0 when x follows greater than minus 1, which implies all the terms are positive. Therefore, the derivative dy by dx has a positive sign, is greater than 0 when x is greater than minus 1. Therefore, when x greater than minus 1, the given function y equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x is increasing throughout the domain, is increasing throughout the domain, increasing throughout the domain, x greater than minus 1, because all the terms are positive. So dy by dx is greater than 0, positive when x follows greater than minus 1. Therefore the derivative is greater than derivative is positive in the domain x greater than minus 1. Therefore the function is always increasing throughout the domain. Question number 8. Find the intervals of strictly increasing and strictly decreasing for the function y equal to x into x minus 2 whole square. For the function y equal to x into x minus 2 whole square, find the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing intervals. So we need to find dy by dx. First of all, we can expand it and simplify. That will be easy to differentiate. Now y equal to square, separate the square, x square into x minus 2 whole square, which is equal to x square into expanding by a minus b whole square formula, x square minus 4x plus 4, and then multiplying inside y equal to x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square. It will be easy to differentiate, else we should apply a product rule here. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 12x square minus 8x. This is the derivative of y. Now taking out common 4x, the remaining are x square minus 3x minus 2. And factoring this, we will get 4x into x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 2 into, question itself we have plus here, plus. So when we factor it, we will get x minus 2 into x minus 1. So here we have plus 8x. So here plus 2, after taking 4x common, here plus 2. Factoring this, when we multiply these 2 and we add this minus 3, so minus 2 minus 1. So these are the factors of dy by dx, that is dy by dx. We need to substitute dy by dx is equal to 0, put dy by dx is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to 2 and x minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. So we have the values for x is 0, 1, 2. X is equal to 0, 1, 2 when dy by dx is equal to 0. So now intervals, we can split the number line into, this is the number line, minus infinity to plus infinity. So by the values of 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, we have the minus infinity 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. There are 4 intervals we have got. So the intervals written here, intervals, and sign of f dash of x within the interval and nature of function f of x, that is y, given function x square into x minus 2 whole square or x into x minus 2 whole square. The intervals are minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. They are all open interval. Now substituting any value in the minus infinity to 0, I have taken minus 1, substituting here. This is minus, substituting minus 1 here, minus 1, minus 3, again minus, minus into minus plus, and substituting here on minus value, or minus, 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 totally we have minus. So a negative sign, that is less than 0. And taking 0 to 1 any value, that is 1 by 2 taken, minus, minus, plus, that is minus into minus. Here we have positive sign, that is greater than 0. And 1 to 2, we can take 1.5, 1.5 means this is negative, this one is positive, and here is positive, positive, negative, positive, that is negative. So minus, less than 0. And then taking 2 to infinity, you can take a 3, easy value you can choose and substitute here. 3 has chosen here, 3 positive, here 3 minus 2 is positive, 3 minus 1 is positive, all are positive. When we multiply, it will yield a positive quantity that is greater than 0. This means minus into plus infinity, f dash has a sign less than 0. Therefore, f of x is strictly here strictly decreasing in the interval minus infinity to 0. And then greater than 0, this means strictly increasing in 0 to 1, and here we have less than 0, that is strictly decreasing again in 1 to 2, and then here is greater 0 positive, strictly increasing in 2 to infinity. Therefore the function y is strictly increasing in minus infinity 0 to 1 union 2 to infinity, and y is strictly decreasing in minus infinity to 0 union 1 to 2. Hence the result. These are the intervals in which the function is strictly increasing, and these are the intervals in which the function is strictly decreasing. Given function is strictly decreasing. Here comes question number 10, the exercise 6.2. Given function y equal to log x, defined in the interval x is equal to x belongs to 0 to plus infinity. We should show that y is increasing, strictly increasing function in the interval 0 to infinity. That is, y equal to log x is strictly increasing function in 0 to infinity. We need dy by dx. Find dy by dx. The derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now, we have values from 0 to infinity. In this interval, we have only positive values. So, substituting here, it will be positive. When x increases, the value of dy by dx will be decreases, that's all. But the value is decreases, but it always maintain a positive quantity. So, for every x, for all, when x belongs to 0 to infinity, dy by dx greater than 0, therefore y equal to log x is strictly increasing function and x belongs to 0 to infinity. Therefore dy by dx, because of dy by dx gives positive quantity 0 greater than 0, the function y is strictly increasing function, the defined interval 0 to infinity. Question number 11. Given f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1, to find to show that f of x is strictly increasing function on minus 1 to plus 1, on my open interval minus 1 to plus 1, the given function is strictly increasing. We need to prove the given function f of x is strictly increasing on minus 1 to plus 1. Now find f dash of x, that is equal to 2x minus 1. Now taking any value or substituting f dash of x is equal to 0, or taking any value between minus 1 to plus 1, substitute here, we have 0 in the middle. So okay, now f dash of x is equal to 0, put f dash of x is equal to 0, which implies 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can split the interval, that is minus 1, there are, now we have the split the given interval sub-interval, that is minus 1 to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 to plus 1. Because we have the whole interval minus 1 to 1, splitting by 1 by 2, there are two sub-intervals we will get. One is minus 1 to half, another one is half to 1. These are the two sub-intervals. Now intervals and sine of f dash of x, nature of f of x. There are two intervals, one is -1 to 1 by 2, another one is 1 by 2 to plus 1. And the sine of f dash of x, you can take 0 in between -1 to half. Substituting in f dash of x, it follows a negative sign, so less than 0. And then taking any value greater than half, it will be a positive. Substituting here 3 by 2, then 3 by 4 we can take 3 by 4 minus 1, 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1, to that substituting any value greater than half, that is 3 by 4 is taken. Substituting in 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1, can cancel this 2. So 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 is a positive quantity. So here we have greater than 0. This means f of x is strictly decreasing in -1 to 1 by 2, -1 comma 1 by 2, it's strictly decreasing, and here strictly increasing in 1 by 2 to 1. Therefore, the strictly increasing interval is -1 to 1 by 2. Strictly decreasing interval is 1 by 2 to plus 1.